Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and this is from pureshop.ru. And today, this is the new sneakers, Nike SB Thunder Blue, and this is the green one. It's the green lobster concept Nike SB Thunder green lobster, and this pair ready to ship. So I take here and let me show the shoe bags. This is the shoe bags here and the size label. You can check out the all information here. And inside this pair got 3 extra shoelaces here. Have the pink, this is purple, and this is the little green color, and then this is the black one, and also have the 2 rubber circle shape here, and got the tissue paper inside. And this is the shoes, so you can look on the top. See here, got the circle. There is a rubber material here. Also come with another one. This one is the gray color. So let me. I don't know what this come with here. So this also in the bag here. In the bag here, come with this pair. So you can come with so many things of this pair. Let me put in the bag and put in the shoe bags. And this is the shoes. And I hope you can check out the green thread on the upper, and also with the doors with the painting on the green part. Also got the double Nike shoes, the white and the black one, and also this with the green color stitching, and got the black midsole with green stitching as well. And this is the whole side here. And turn to the front, you can look here the shape and the material. Also, everything is very good. And on the top part here, with the holes in the front here. And on the shoes, got the pink laces and the shoe tom, very comfortable one with the mesh. In the middle, got the lace lock. On the top, got the Nike SB and the Nike shoes. On the top, and this color is the cloth material. And the body inside, so got the same. I hope you the color is very unique. Also the double Nike shoes and the green thread on the upper. And turn to the back side. On the top, embroidered Nike, the white Nike, and also this is the classical for Nike SB Dunk those sneakers. And the bottom is the this light green color. In the middle, got the Nike SB Nike and the Nike shoes on the outlet. And the inside, you can see the inside here, very colorful with the white and the green color with the snow flower pattern, and also the square pattern. Shoe part also with the same pattern. The back side of the shoe tom got the test. Okay, so this is the new style for Nike SB Dunk those sneakers. So what do you think with this period? You can comment below. Any more questions and also any more details, please check on my web link. Thanks for watching. See you next time.